Tomorrow is us right here. Yeah, yeah. Yo, big up all of the artists, them. Whether they want to be this or that or what. Big up the artists. Big up them tune. You see, them tune represent them. So you say for artists as being an evil artist, I don't really listen to the evil tune, but you got to do some good tune, a tune for God. That's the tune I will listen to, okay? Yeah, so big up Frankie Paul, as me telling you about tomorrow. It's another name that for God, you know. You can't see tomorrow? No. Okay, just like that. You see, anyway, tomorrow will bring better you and better me. And we will show this world we got hopes we could sing. So don't you ever give up in your hopes and in your dreams. You gotta get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. We get it hard to be strong. We can fly if we can to a whole lot of place. We can go anywhere we want, anytime, any day. I said tomorrow is us, right here, baby. Let me hear you say tomorrow. Yeah, far away. But one thing I can always be sure, tomorrow will bring better you. You see, yeah, and a food pump, fire this or pot pump fire, whatever you want to call it. That's how we warm up. And a microwave thing a go on. Yeah, but that's how we warm up. We use a Frankie Paul or a Bob Marley or, you know, same side set. And get yourself another vibe. So right now, I drop a tune. Yeah, I drop a tune for now. You see it? Because we love, please, the good.
Good people.
Yeah, so if we please you and it's not good, we try to please the good, but you have been pleased and you get pleased, so we can do about that.
Right.
So you see, the word of God never hide. Always up out there. You see, yeah, I'm going to touch the word of God. We just feel like we should have DJ that tune here, that tune here. That tune here stands out a lot. I love it. Love it from my heart. You see, I never really take no little pencil and pen and write it. But you see, we use my mind and invite it. Some of them start the lyrics as God inspire me. You see, some of them start it like how Bob Marley started from Trenchtown. Anyway, we can make it work if we come together. We can make things work. We don't know that, no? We can make it work if we come together. We can make things work. Don't dream team. Oh, yo. We. Let me say dream team, make it sound sweeter. Dream team can make it work. If we come together, we can make things work. So when me get up, it I got different, you know. Watch that. Yo! From the start work for Jaja, no more a sinner. Just provide me tea plus me lunch, all me dinner. Devilism! Me no mixing a Jaja precious to a jam me got so follow. Again, me start work for Jaja, no more a sinner. Just provide me tea plus me lunch, all me dinner. Devilism! We no mixing a Jaja precious so a God we a go follow. When me a pray to Jaja, me no ask him to wealth. Me ask him to health and me ask him to strength. We step out the road and do that confident. Good news me got, me can't keep that to myself. Mark down date, me a picture to my health. Me spot a fat data, sit down on a bench. When I tell her about God, you know she get up and bench and confess. The Lord and no one else. Apart the street, me I say it again. The man and no one else. So me sing again, we start work with Jaja. No more a sinner. Just provide me tea plus me lunch all the dinner. Devilism. We no mixing a Jaja pressure, so a Jaja we up. Yo! Step by step, that's how we climb up the ladder. Remember, one hand you have to take it was another. You're closer to me, though, even than a brother. One job me have. You know me can't have another. One God.
Yeah.
Some people are say a 3
Just one
and
man.
a 2 and a 10.
No, just
One God. So when God say, hey, let us make man, you better learn about that speech.
Okay.
Don't think he was talking to an assistant
Right.
or a neighbor or a family. No. God speak to himself. That's the word. Yeah. As we say, it was the word.
Alright.
And it is
Respect.
still God.
That's still God.
Love the part.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah,
boss.
I love it.
Get outside.
Yeah, man.
Hello. So when the flights them came land and the passengers them get outside, like the car would come now and I would say to them, can I give you a help? You know? And they say, yeah. So when they put them in the car, and find, you know, sometimes they don't find US $10. I give all the people them who watch me, you know, the program.
Me looking to see you. Serious coming out the Thursday night, but the flight coming, the flight is delay. They're not looking to see you.
No, I never over the Thursday. That's why you not see me. Yeah, just I remember. Because I see the car just let me out. That girl, her name is Brit. She's a blogger, you know, TikTok. And she right now, she kind of get famous. Yeah, so we went to a car wash Thursday night. That's why you didn't see me. I'm over there even the most of them see me. You get what I'm saying? I remember amazing color. Yes.
Me I say work out here, man.
Not really work, but you know, some people don't start the work still. Honestly, nobody knows.
You want to know what but you in Canada really get employment because due to the situation. So you have to find some alternative to survive.
Right.
So the only way to survive is where? Well, it's better than go to I go sit down and beg people.
Right.
And so you must do this. Although it's illegal still, you know.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
It's illegal. But he get compliance.
Right.
In secret ways. While a few officers will overlook him.
Yeah, I know,
while
yeah.
some will just doing them work and want to, you know.
Right.
So I saw him also feel like a thing. He not really imply.
Right.
Right, but he got tagging. So, once I got airport and him come, he not really hustle now. When I look the bus, he come.
Right, come back again, yeah.
Sometimes he come back from airport.
Yeah, I know.
No money.
No money.
So I'm going to think through a good youth and you have people around him.
Right.
Well, still, you know,
Get around him.
when him achieve anything now, him still makes people feel
Happy and yeah.
You understand? So, I saw him survive. He's not really not working, but I saw him also survive.
Right.
Yeah.
This lady right here is very shopping up and very sorry. You see, if we get that little money for somebody, calm so. The girl that got shop over there? Yes.
Support, support. See,
So,
yeah.
when we know nothing
So,
about one team now, we
Right.
jump in until things go on field.
Right.
Honestly.
Listen, when you come out the car and like, you know, look the way in there, and you know, say out there,
Yeah, real man. The girl her name Brit now. She's a blogger.
The blogger.
She's like,
She come from here too?
no, she comes from uptown. But
Me dey on TikTok, you know, is a famous on TikTok.
I always watch her because she go live sometimes. So I always
We go live, you know, with a DJ East, so you see me live, so DJ East, you see me? DJ East. DJ East.
East. Oh,
Yes,
East.
DJ East 611, so.
Alright.
so I saw
Yeah, man. Yeah, music. Yeah.
Mr. Jenny, she will leave me.
oh, that's good.
Yeah, so even last week Saturday, you know, she drive come right here, come give me 2 tickets. Yes. Me and her went to a big party uptown.
Whoa.
And she went outfit over here. Yeah. Everybody love the outfit over here. Bad piece of outfit. was going in the army. That's me. Yeah, even when we go, you see like when we enter the party, everybody was saying, no man colors. Yeah, and this gentleman named Jim Brown, he was in like living in a gully.
Yeah.
And she clean him up, video him on the while and help him out.
Wow.
Yeah, right now he live where she did. Yeah, he live at her home.
Wow, that's good.
Yes. I was honestly, this is some kino.
Right.
You know, people watch. Right now,
Must.
And the thing about it, you know, really give the exposure.
Yeah.
This program.
Yeah.
From here on now, people get the
Start.
Yeah. You say really need it.
Right.
Normally, this kino is the
Foundation.
foundation.
Right. Yeah. Kina is the background. Yeah,
Keep it
that's good.
going like that.
No, not like that, yeah.
So people start gravitating to my area. So by the day, kino is really
Right, yeah.
which is good, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
You know, carrying peoples and you know, everybody know. Yeah.
you see, when the flight from England touched down, oh my gosh, anybody who watch Colors and Kino program, so long as they get outside, want somebody to find their mind.
Colors.
Yes, I see. So when them see me, it's like a movie star.
When we land out at Thursday, are you me? I look for.
Mars.
Remember,